In this video, I'm going to show you how to export multiple artboards in Affinity. Now, of course, the first thing you must do is have a few artboards here inside your Affinity document. So as you can see, I have 3 right now, but you could have like 10, 20, 50, 100, even more than that. It doesn't matter. This method is going to work either ways. Then the first thing you have to do is, of course, select all of them. So select those you would like to export. I'm going to just hover over them like this, but of course you could hold down your shift key and select just the ones you want. You could also click Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select all of them. There's a bunch of different methods. Just select the ones you need. Now, if you're doing this very often and you're going to be doing this on a daily basis, it may make sense if you click on those 3 dots up top to open up the Studio Manager and actually add slice over here, because this studio is what we're going to be using for that. I'm not going to do this because I don't need to, honestly. I'm just going to select all of these, and you can click on File, top left, go to Studios, and then you want to click on Slice. This is going to take you here to where you can see export options. Now in here you can go ahead and set your file formats, your presets, your pixel formats, whatever you want. I'm just going to select PNG over here, but of course it's up to you. You're welcome to select whatever you want and whatever you need. You can then select presets, as I said, and everything here. You could go ahead and play with these settings. And then the most important part is down here at the bottom. You want to click on Slices, and here all your artboards should be automatically selected. Just click on where it says export slices, and you're going to be able to select the folder. I'm going to select my downloads folder, click on export, and there we go. It's going to start exporting your items, and your artboards are going to be exported one by one, in each and every single one is going to be its own file. Okay, so that's how easy it is to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.